Hey folks, here we have the contact map and a bit of a contact section in the background of the index page. And what we're going to do is just quickly show you how to update that map. So right here, um, and this template, we have a little person here on the phone and a little bit of information and whatnot. But basically with a contact map, it's going to be any section where you see a contact map in the background. So let's just take a look at how to update that. We're going to go into Expression Web. And I'll just close up what I was showing in the previous video. I'll open up the library and the components and contact map right here. There's our map page right there. Okay, so what we have right here, we have a longitude and a latitude, and that's it right there, and that's it right there. And that tells us where our map is going to show up in terms of longitude and latitude. And how do you figure that out? Well, first thing I want to point out, and this is very important, when you do a longitude latitude search, if the second number, if the latitude has a negative number, you need to have that in there or you're going to be on the other side of the world, I think. But let's pull up a Google page here for a second. And let's go to type in longitude. This is the easiest way I find. Type in longitude and latitude. I can't even speak right now. Okay, and there's a longlat.net website, and hopefully it'll still be up here when you look at this video. It's been up for quite a while, but basically we just go to this site right here as an example, and then you type in the name. There's your name of your place right there, and let's type in Las Vegas, Nevada, and find. And there it is right there. Boom. Guess what? Latitude, longitude. Okay, so you'd copy this one right here. And we go to our boom, and we pump this in right here. And then we go back to our page. We go to the longitude, and we copy that. And we go back, and then right in here, including that negative number, if there's one there, select it, paste, save, you're done. You don't have to bother changing that. That's just a comment. So that's really all there is to it. And if you ever want to change any colors and whatnot, you can experiment by changing the colors right here. Typically we'll try and do this to make it look cool for the template, but you can also change it yourself, right? And basically you sort of have to play around with it to see how it works. I mean, water, there's the number, landscape, there's the color for landscape. And then down here we have administrative, which is basically labels and text and whatnot. That's the color for it right there. So that's what stuff you can play around with and have fun with it.